Hello Excel champion. Welcome to Excel Vertix. I hope you had a great week. In this video, let's do a recap of what we learned this week. Let's talk about the videos that are posted on this channel for you. This week 5 videos posted in which you can learn about the formulas like SUMIF, COUNTIF, and pivot table and different shortcuts within 60 seconds, which would surely boost your data analysis skills. I hope you have watched all the videos posted on the channel and already moved one step ahead from the people who are still watching vlogs and dancing videos. You are a champion. If you haven't watched it, click on the playlist and watch now. You can simply click on the playlist and watch beginner and then advanced videos. Click on each video and watch it till the end to understand the magic of different functions and formulas. Want to instantly count only what you need in Excel? Watch this till the end. Welcome to Excel Vertix. COUNTIF will change the way you work in Excel. Do hit the like button if like the videos and mention Excel in the comment box if you need free practice workbooks for these functions and formulas. Subscribe for daily learning.